But trying to be international, you know, not leave anyone out.
Yep. Tried to fix my hair, made it worse. 1, 2. Darling.
But Dad.
What?
It's Portuguese for good afternoon.
Oh.
Trying to be international, you know, not leave anyone out.
I see, I see. I like it.
Hello.
Well, what are we doing right now?
Well, now I just finished editing a video and we are gonna go up to this, or go to this beautiful little restaurant and try to upload it for you guys.
So where is this restaurant located?
On the South Pass of Fakarava.
So I think, so...
If you want to say something else, you're more than welcome to.
Sorry, this restaurant is located right on the pass, so you have current going each direction, and it's very, very beautiful, and you have all the sea life right at your footstep. So we're going to go check this out and film it for you guys. I was there yesterday putting a video up, and I liked it so much, I said to Isabel, you gotta come check this out. So we'll go check it out, shan't we?
We shall.
With the current that rushes through the pass every day comes with it a buffet of food, attracting the hundreds of reef sharks that call this place home.
What are you mates, dude? No? Oh, they're beautiful.
Back home, sweet home, where the heroes go to get all cleaned up. Anyway, let's call it a day.
Yep. Tried to fix my hair, made it worse.
How cool is this?
This is actually the pass where we drift dived yesterday, and we did see this from the water, but to walk around it and look down upon it it's a special experience.
Oh, and the water's crystal clear. It really feels like an aquarium.
We haven't had this experience.
No. And look at that big fish.
It's really, it's only something you can kind of experience in the Pacific, I think, these days.
Yeah.
Maybe the Bahamas, but especially the Pacific.
Yeah. A place for solar panels.
There are trees around.
Oh, he's
Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to show you basically the pass where we were diving yesterday and all the amazing sea creatures just at our doorstep, at our footstep should I say. So this right here is a lot of current going through the pass. It's just kicked in the last half an hour. It was slack tide, but now it's flowing, should be flowing in actually, but it looks like it's flowing out, which is really weird. And just below my feet here we just have multiple sharks just have a little swim through. It's an absolute lovely area. So you've got the sharks just down here in this beautiful water, and you can have lunch or dinner right here and just watch the sea life pass you by. We are actually here to upload a movie and have a beer with our mate Devon. Devon's just he's off for a dive with the dive centre, and he should be back within an hour. So we're gonna have a beer waiting for him when he returns. It is a beautiful day and our movies are going up on time, which makes us a lot more relaxed. It's kind of hard to describe, but when a movie's not going up, when the internet's not what it should be, we start to stress a little bit. We like to get these things out on time. So yesterday I put one out, one up should I say, and today we also have a second one going up. And it should be a very relaxing time once we get it up and we can kind of have a beer and relax and enjoy. Here's another shark now coming. 1, 2. Unbelievable. So they are actually completely harmless. Isabel and I were both snorkeling with all the sharks just yesterday, and we felt completely safe the whole time. There's no real decent big ones, they're all reef sharks and or grey nurse sharks, which is quite nice. So just to give you an idea of the current, we've got Ralph here in some kind of idle, I guess you'd say. We're going forward in idle, probably about, I don't know, 2 or 3 knots. And we're only barely making headway on the current.
And there are 4 sharks in the Good afternoon. can probably hear, I am cooking some food. I'm actually preparing some food because we are going to go to the beach and have a barbecue. And I am just preparing, oh, so hot. I'm just preparing some food. We're actually going to do a pizza. Me, Kieran and Devon on Pure Vida. I'm going to have a fire on the beach and sunset. It's just stunning here in Fakarava in the South Pass. And yeah, we just wanted to take advantage of the situation and gonna have a little barbecue on the beach. I think it's gonna be awesome. Just quickly run you through what I have going on the stove here. Here is the tomato sauce, and in that I have garlic, onions and oregano, salt, pepper, and this tomato sauce. And this is just aubergine and mushrooms. A lot of garlic, salt, pepper, and a French herb mix. Really good. I have cut some onion here, which I'm gonna put on the pizza. Good food, good company, amazing place. I think it's gonna be an amazing evening. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Kieran just went to the beach to collect some firewood, and yeah, and in just a few we're going to go to the beach. Stay tuned.
It was the first time for us making a fired pizza, and I've got to say it could be one of the best pizzas of my life.